Earn $640 per day just by listening to music. Make money online for free 2022. In this video, I will discuss how to earn $640 per day by just listening to music. This is interesting as imagine you earning this much money by just listening to your favorite song. If you want to know more about it, keep watching the video till the end and subscribe for more such videos. Here we begin. Well, it doesn't matter what you are using now, you will still get paid to listen to music. This brand new method is available worldwide. So, let's calculate how much you're apt to receive from this procedure. If you listen to 5 songs, you are competent to receive. If you listen to 20 songs, you can earn $640. And when you listen to 50 songs, you achieve $1,600. The promising part is that you can accomplish this on your mobile phone or computer. The first thing you require to accomplish this is to explore this website, which is mixkit.co. On this website, you are eligible to find several stock musics, which is free to download and make cash from by just listening to them. As you can watch here, hundreds of songs can be downloaded for free using your smartphone or computer. Now I will provide you with the first bonus tip. I need you to pay close attention. When you go to mixkit.co, head over to their homepage and right here, click genre and you'll see various categories of copyright-free, which you can download and start listening to. For this video, I want you to focus on hip-hop and acoustic music because these two are the most popular classifications right now. After selecting the genre, let's move on to the second step. So for the second step, head to this website upload-forever.com. If you don't know much about this website, let me clarify more about what they perform. So essentially, you can upload various files on this website whenever someone downloads your file. They will pay you immediately to your preferred payment method. How cool is that? This brand new procedure has an enormous potentials for you to give rise to a lot of money online. So, to make cash from this brand new technique, you are required to go back to mixkit.co, browse for a song and download it for free. Then head over to upload-forever.com and upload that song right on this website. Whenever someone downloads that song on this website, you'll be competent to receive some amount of money, which will be sure of how much you want it to be. And I will indicate to you how to establish that up. So stay tuned and keep watching. As you can see here, you are competent to maintain the entire earnings to yourself. The best part is that they pay in various payment strategies. They have PayPal, Payeer, Payoneer, Perfect Money, and if you're into cryptocurrency, you can also obtain your payments through any cryptocurrencies you need. Quick tip, if you have an Android phone right now, go to Google Play Store and search for the app Up-Forever, and then download the app on your smartphone for absolutely free. Now I will show you the entire sign-up process. I want you to pay very close attention because this might be a little tricky if you skip over the step. So, if you head over to upload-forever.com, I want you to click on this one right here, which says Sign Up. And that will take you to this page where you can sign up for 100% free. So what you need to do right now is to fill out your username, password, and email address, and right here, choose your preferred payment option. After that, tick this box that says I'm not a robot and click on Sign Up right here. That's very simple, right? After you register, you'll now be able to log into your new upload-forever.com account. Right here is your very own dashboard. Feel free to explore the dashboard. Moving on, I want you to click on this button right here which says Upload Files. And then it will take you to this page where you can start uploading the songs downloaded from mixkit.co. After that, you can start getting paid. This is another crucial part of the process. You have to ensure that you don't upload any files that go against their terms of service. So if you want to make money with this website, make sure you don't violate any of its rules. Another very useful tip, if you can't seem to upload on this website, you can check and make sure that you have disabled your ad block. Moving on, I will now show you how to upload the music you have downloaded from mixkit.co to this website. So all you have to do is to head over to mixkit.co and look for a good song under the hip-hop or the acoustic genre. You can scroll through all these collections of songs, which by the way are free to download. You can click here if you want to listen to a preview of the song you want to download. So this is the song's title right here and this is the artist. If you like this song, simply click on the download button. As you can see, you can download it straight to your computer, laptop, or even your mobile phone. The best thing is that you don't need to create an account on this website to download it. After downloading the song, what you need to do now is to go back to upload-forever.com. And right on your dashboard, click this button which says Upload Files. That will then take you to this page where you can now actually upload the song. So the next thing to do is choose the file you want to upload. In my case, I will upload the song I downloaded earlier right here. You can watch how big the file is. Another bonus tip, it's very important to make sure that your file is set to public. That way, other people can download your files so you can earn money from them. For the definitions, make sure to copy the song's titles and the artist's name. To do so, go back to the first website, copy the title of the artist and just paste it right here. When you're ready to upload the file, simply click on this Start Upload button and wait for the song uploaded to this website. Once your file has been uploaded, go back to the homepage and click this one, which says My Files. This is where you can detect any files you have uploaded. You can recognize here the file's name and the size of that asserted file. On this page, you are also eligible to perceive the number of downloads your file has. Right now, it still has 0 since we just uploaded the song. Also, on this page, you can establish the price for the song depending on how much you want to put it together. To do so, just click on this green icon right here and you will be taken to this page where you can establish the price. So just type the price that you want. As for me, I'll completely type this price since I think this is enough for me. After accomplishing that, scroll down below and click on the Submit button. That's everything you're required to accomplish to make money from this website. Always make sure to make your file public so that people can download it. And then, don't overlook setting your price so you can get paid for every download. You can barely reiterate the whole procedure over and over again to receive more money. So, that's all for today. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments below and make sure to subscribe and smash the bell icon to get more uploads like this.